Have you ever typed something into AI and thought, wow, this thing really gets me? Be honest. Some of you have had a better conversation with AI this week than with an actual person. And that should concern you at least a little bit, because AI doesn't understand you at all. It just responds in a way that makes you feel like it does. And your brain is completely fine with that. So here's what's happening under the hood. AI is really good at mirroring. It picks up your tone, your wording, your emotional cues. If you sound stressed, it responds calmly. If you sound excited, it matches your energy. If you say, I'm overwhelmed, it doesn't go, have you considered optimizing your workflow? It says, oh, that sounds really frustrating. You want to talk through it? And your brain goes, finally, someone who understands me. No, someone who is very good at reflecting you back to yourself. It's like talking to a mirror that also gives advice. Humans don't need actual understanding. All we need is the feeling of being understood, and that's it. If someone listens, responds appropriately, and validates what we're saying, we go, I like this person, even if they don't understand anything that we're saying. AI nails those signals perfectly. No interruptions, no judgment, no, let me tell you about a time I went through something similar. No, none of that. Just, I hear you. Which, by the way, is all most people want anyway. So AI doesn't need to be conscious, it just needs to hit the right emotional buttons. And it does that consistently. Because artificial empathy feels like real connection, but it's missing something critical. There's no stake, there's no consequence, and there's no actual understanding. AI doesn't care if you succeed, it doesn't care if you fail, it doesn't care if the advice works. It just generates the next best response. And if that response feels supportive to you, well, you trust it. Which is wild, because if a human gave you advice with zero skin in the game, you'd question it immediately. But when AI does it, you're like, wow, this is really helpful. Helpful? Maybe. Invested? Not even a little. So don't confuse feeling understood with being understood. AI can simulate empathy. It cannot experience it. And that distinction matters, because real connection includes accountability, nuance, context, and consequences. AI gives you those surface signals without the substance behind them. So use it, absolutely. It's powerful, it's helpful, it's efficient. But don't replace human connection with it, because the moment you do, you're not building relationships, you're having very satisfying conversations with something that doesn't know you exist. And the scary part, it's good enough that you might not notice the difference.